Do you want to fit a rocket cover breather to your Barra or your LS, but you don't have the tools or the skills to weld aluminium fittings to your existing covers? Well, Proflow have the answer with these oil breather caps. They are the quickest and easiest way to put an aftermarket catch can on your Barra or your LS. The top of the cap is threaded for a -10 ORB fitting, and it also features an internal baffle to minimise the amount of oil getting transferred through to the catch can. They're super simple to fit. Just unscrew your original cap, screw in your breather cap, and attach your breather hose. As I mentioned before, they're available for both Barra and LS, so jump on the VPW website and order yours today.